Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William O'Neill India. So today, February 7th. So as we are ready to start the market, few important things about Nifty start. So yesterday, the market status was shifted from a downtrend to a rally attempt. 3 दिन low बन गया था. So this was the low which was made on the budget day. And 3 consecutive days. So this was the Thursday was the day one, Friday day two, and the yesterday day three. So it says that market is trying to potentially form a bottom because since last 3 days it has not formed a fresh low, or you can say it has not breached the previous correction low. So that's why we have shifted market to a rally attempt. The focus will be now on the follow through day, that is the FTD. Once we get a follow through day, the market status changes to a confirmed uptrend. But before that, I think a couple of things that you need to look now is the some short-term moving averages, that is the 10 EMA, but not very effective. So high in the recent days. So you can, the first thing to look for is the 21 DMA, that is the green line. Okay, the level is somewhere around 17,900. So this is the first level you need to look for. Second you need to look for is the 50 DMA, that is 18,180. Okay, so these are the two important levels on the higher side. So 18,180 is a little bit away, but yes, the most important as of now becomes the 17,900. So you need to watch out for that as far as the recent market is concerned. On the flip side, on the downside, there is a lot of space. I think till 200 DMA, the things are open. But what's important is to hold the correction low, that is 350. Okay, 17,353 exactly. So these are some of the important levels to watch out for. If you breach 17,353, the fall can be sharp from there, and then the focus will be on the black line, that is the 200 DMA. If 200 DMA hold nahi kar paya us time, then it becomes very tough. So I think for today, the first level to watch out is the 17,880, 900. यहाँ का जो 15-20 पॉइंट आगे पीछे का जोन है 900 के, वो important हो जाता है on the higher side for today's session. And yes, to take a very small bet, I think yesterday's low, that becomes important somewhere around 700. 17,700 becomes important on the downside for today. And yes, 900 is very important on the higher side. So 17,700 and 900, these are the levels to watch out for in the Nifty. If you look at some key news, a lot of good results, I think, guys. So this result season has been, tilted towards the positives. If you look at the result, barring the Tata Steel, I think others gave a very good result. The ACE numbers were very good. The revenue growth, the PAT growth, everything was decent. Margin also expanded. Okay, so this is percentage. Sorry, mistake over here. LIC Housing Finance, it missed estimates. The NII growth was 10.4% and the PAT was down 37%. So SJVN, Satluj Jal Vikas Nigam, the revenue growth was 0.5%. A PAT grew 22%. Tata Steel missed estimate. It reported a loss of 2502 crore. I think the loss was not that much, and that was due to some adjustments in their Europe business. Some taxation things were there, especially the BSPS and the Tata Steel UK as a sponsor completed substitutional part of its de-risking journey. So जो कुछ 60% जितना उनका liabilities का insurance था, और वहां पे जो पेमेंट नॉन कैश रिलेटेड पेमेंट डिफर टैक्सेशन की वजह से there was some major loss. But yeah, overall result भी अच्छा नहीं है, but the loss is higher is due to the one of things. So last year same quarter में 9,500 crore का profit था, that was huge. So revenue was down just 6.1% and margin contraction was higher. So JK paper का result was very good. The revenue grew 50%, EBITDA grew 76%, and margin expanded 5%. Muthoot Finance result beat estimates on all the front. The PAT growth was decent 12% and NII growth was 9.6%. So today the focus will be on some big results. Airtel, Hero MotoCorp, Ambuja, Adani. So some of the top stocks are reporting in mid-cap segment also. Green, ABFRL, Astral, BDL, Deepak Nitrate, RCF. A lot of results are coming up today. So it might be a busy day as far as the results are concerned. The global market, some flat move in the US. Nasdaq was down 1%. Otherwise, the other two index were almost flat. The Asian market looks better. It's in positive, but no major movement. 0.2 to 0.5% of positives in the Asian market. So SGX indicates a flat to positive opening. So yesterday closing was around 770, 760, 70 level. So today the futures level at SGX is trading around 850. So the opening might be somewhere around 800 or maybe 780, 800. So that's what the SGX Nifty indicates. It might change quickly. So yeah, this is just as of 8:40, 8:37 a.m. And yes, stock of the day from today, we start again as we are in a rally attempt. So the first one that we have selected this time is the Siemens. So it is forming a stage 2 base. Siemens is forming a stage 2 base, excellent relative strength. It's at all-time high. The blue dot is over here. 50 DMA पे proper support लिया था इसने, वहां से rebound हुआ. And yes, the infra story. तो पूरा बजट है पिछले साल का, 22 का देखो, 23 का देखो, पूरा कैपेक्स पे, इंफ्रा स्टोरी पे डिपेंडेंट है. And that's very beneficial to these players like Siemens. And you can see the recent couple of quarter results have been really good. The technical setup is decent. जब भी स्टॉक ऊपर गया है वॉल्यूम बढ़ा है, देखो, and जब भी stock नीचे गया है volume is generally less. So this is a very positive setup as far as the Siemens is concerned. Not a direct investment advice to buy or sell, but yes, these kind of stocks can be on the part of your watch list. And this is our stock chart of the day. That's it for today's session, guys. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow again at 8:45 a.m.